Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install a Visual Studio Code for your computer in a very simple way. How you're going to do it? Just pick any of your favorite browser. Also, you can choose it from the Microsoft Store, but if you want to go for this way to the browser, then it will be very easy and handy to download. Sometimes Microsoft Store did some issues, like if you don't log into the Microsoft Store, you cannot download that app. So I think the most easyable way to download this Visual Studio Code is to come over into your Google Chrome browser. And over here, if you type for Visual Studio, you will get this option or suggestion from here called Visual Studio Code download. If you click on that, then we'll get this website called code.visualstudio.com. So if you click on that, then we'll get this download option or the downloads website called Windows. There is 3 different operating system download suggestion over here, but if you're using Windows, then you can simply click on the Windows button and that will install Visual Studio Code for your Windows. So if you click on the Windows and wait a slight little bit, you'll find these that your Visual Studio Code started the downloading. So it will take some minutes to download because it's about 100 MB. And we can see that the Visual Studio Code download is completed. And now if you just click on it 2 times to install and minimize the browser, you will get the set of wizard over here. So if you click on I accept the agreement and then click next. If you want to change the location, you can simply click on browse or you can change the location. But I will leave it as it is because it's perfect. It's selecting the drive C and that's okay. So there is at least 392.3 MB free for your disk space. So be remember with this and then simply click on next and then click next another time and then please check create a desktop icon. And if you want to change some functional settings over here, you can simply add them. After that, click next, install, and now the installations begin. So it will take some of seconds to install. So for that, keep patience. And that's it. Your installation is completed. And now if you click on finish, and you can see your Visual Studio Code is opened into your computer. So yeah, this is how you can download and install Visual Studio Code for your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.